Mendelian Genetics, the Blueprint of Heredity. Based on UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end to know the fun fact of Mendel with important books. Introduction to Mendelian Genetics. Points. Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, 1822-1884, was an Austrian scientist who is recognized as the father of genetics for his pioneering work on the inheritance of traits in pea plants. His experiments laid the foundation for modern genetics. Mendel's key contributions. Pea plant experiments. Studied 7 traits, example, flower color, seed shape. Crossbred plants to analyze how traits are passed down generations. Mendel's laws of inheritance. Law of segregation. Each organism inherits 2 alleles for a trait, which segregate during gamete formation. Law of independent assortment. Genes for different traits assort independently. Mathematical approach to biology. Used ratios and probabilities to predict inheritance patterns. Found a 3:1 ratio for dominant versus recessive traits in offspring. Rediscovery of Mendel's work, 1900. His research was overlooked during his lifetime. Scientists like De Vries, Correns, and von Teeschemack later confirmed his findings. Impact on modern genetics. Basis for DNA, genes, and molecular biology research. Applied in medicine, agriculture, and genetic engineering. Mendel's experiments and methodology. Points. Selected pea plants for distinct traits, example, flower color, seed shape. Cross-pollination techniques used. Observation of inheritance patterns over generations. Concept of purebred, homozygous, and hybrid, heterozygous. Use of mathematical ratios in biology. Basis for Punnett squares and probability in genetics. Mendel's first law, law of segregation. Each organism carries 2 alleles for a trait. Alleles segregate during gamete formation, meiosis. Each gamete carries only 1 allele. Dominant versus recessive traits explained. Predictable 3:1 ratio in monohybrid crosses. Confirmed through experimental data. Mendel's second law, law of independent assortment. Points. Genes for different traits are inherited independently. Dihybrid cross experiments, example, seed shape and seed color. 9:3:3:1 ratio in F2 generation. Chromosomes assort randomly during meiosis. Genetic recombination leads to variation. Exceptions, linked genes and polygenic traits. Exceptions and extensions to Mendelian genetics. Points. Incomplete dominance, blending of traits, example, red-white is equal to pink. Codominance, both alleles expressed, example, blood types. Multiple alleles, more than 2 versions, example, above blood groups. Polygenic inheritance, multiple genes influence a trait, example, skin color. Linked genes, genes inherited together due to proximity on chromosomes. Environmental influence, traits affected by external factors, example, height, skin tone. Applications and impact of Mendelian genetics. Points. Foundation for modern genetics and biotechnology. Used in selective breeding and agriculture. Helps in understanding hereditary diseases. Basis for genetic engineering and CRISPR. Application in forensic science, DNA fingerprinting. Future scope, gene therapy and personalized medicine. Fun fact. Mendel originally wanted to study biology but became a monk due to financial constraints. His pea plant experiments were conducted in the monastery garden. Here are some books related to Gregor Mendel and Mendelian genetics. Classic and historical books. Mendel's Principles of Heredity, William Bateson. One of the earliest books explaining Mendel's work. Experiments in Plant Hybridization, Gregor Mendel, translated. Mendel's original work, a must-read for historical insights. The Birth of the Genetic Era, Mendel, Darlington, and the Rediscovery of Genetics, Jim Endersby. Explores Mendel's influence on modern genetics. General and Modern Genetics books. Genetics, a conceptual approach, Benjamin A. Pears. A comprehensive introduction to Mendelian and modern genetics. Principles of Genetics, D. Peter Snustad and Michael J. Simmons. Covers Mendelian genetics along with molecular genetics. Genetics, Robert J. Brooker. Discusses classical Mendelian genetics and its applications. Biographies and popular science books. The Monk in the Garden, The Lost and Found Genius of Gregor Mendel, Robin Marans Heinig. A well-researched biography on Mendel's life and discoveries. The Gene, An Intimate History, Siddhartha Mukherjee. Explores the history of genetics from Mendel to modern DNA research. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.